subordinated debt offers a broad spectrum of products in order to limit volatility. First, you can choose in terms of layers of subordination. You can also choose in terms of duration. Then you can also choose in terms of sectors. So we like to mix financials with non-financials, such as Telefónica, EDF, Volkswagen, Iberdrola, these kind of names, which enable us to get away from financials if we think that there could be a stress on a sector. Then the key idea to limit volatility is to invest in liquid bonds, and only in liquid bonds, and to choose only the issuers which foster robust credit metrics in order to avoid idiosyncratic problems. We tend to limit the overall turnover of our funds in order to avoid having to sell or buy if we don't want to, and we do not want to be tied to the inflows or the outflows on our funds. So we have tended to keep an overall turnover of below 10% for our flagship La Française sub-debt, which means that we are happy with some of the core portfolio holdings that we have been holding for like more than 3 years for some bonds. We view this strategy as an alternative to high-yield funds. The idea is that we propose very attractive yields above 3% under current market conditions, which is very good. But of course, it means that you've got some volatility on the fund, so you got to be ready to hold the fund for quite some time. The overall recommended period of investment is over 5 years for La Française Global CoCo and 10 years for La Française Subdebt, which can be quite long, but actually we view this as a carry product. So you earn some yield in the long term, which also reduces the volatility of the fund. Domestic Spanish banks have been a very strong conviction of ours for quite some time now. We think that they enjoy improved balance sheets and much more robust credit metrics than before, which is why we have positions in names such as CaixaBank, Bankia, Ibercaja, or even Abanca, because they also propose yields which usually rank between 4 and 7%, which is very attractive under current market conditions.